Hello friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for standard 9th English medium. Friends, today we are going to discuss about lesson number 1 from the book Moments in English. Chapter number 1, that is about the lost child. Friends, before we start our lesson, first we will find what is there, what is the concept of this lesson. In this lesson, there is a one small little kid who went into the fair with his parents, and almost all the time he is asking for something. For means he is asking for balloon, toys, and whatever the things which was selling into the fair. Suddenly he lost his parents, means suddenly he is sorry suddenly um, he was missed his parents, so he didn't understand what he want to do. So he just cried out, and a lot of people were gathered there, and people were asking him what happened with him, and he told that he was separated from his parents, and all the people are not paying attention on them, but one kind person who paid the attention on him and asked him for many things. But the child was not looking for anything. He was looking for just his parents. This is the story, this is the real story of the lost child. Okay, let's see what is there. Word to word meaning: a child goes to fair with his parents, means one little child goes to fair with his parents. He is happy and excited. He was very excited because first time he went to the fair, this kind of fair. When he sees the sweets, toys, whatever the display into the fair, okay, everything, if he seen that, he was very happy. But his parents don't buy them for him. His parents is not allow this child to buy anything from the fair, because they were very strict about this thing, that nothing you can buy from the fair. So whenever he is asking for something, at that time the parents didn't allow him to purchase or to buy anything from the fair. Why then does he refuse when someone else offer to them? He is more attracted about the things which were selling into the fair, but his parents were not allowed this thing to purchase for him. But whenever some strange person met him and he is offering that things which he likes to, which he wants to, at that time the child was refused to accept that thing. Why? You will get the answer this why in this lesson. Okay, let's study with the detailed explanation of this chapter. It was the festival of spring. Festival of spring was going on. From the wintry shade of narrow lanes and allows emerge to greyly clad humanity. Here given the atmosphere about the fair. Here given the atmosphere about the dare, which kind of the situation, which kind of the circumstances were there at the time of the fair. Some people are gathered there, many of the people are gathered there, they make the crowd, and all they went to the fair to attend the fair. Some by walked, some rode on the horse. Some people were rode on the horse, means they were sitting on the horse. Others sat, some people were sat behind the side of the road, being carried into the bamboo and bullock cart. Some people were traveling to the fair by the bullock cart or the many other vehicles. One little boy ran between his father's leg. There was a one little boy who was very naughty boy, and who was running between his father's leg, means nature of a boy was very naughty, and whenever he went to the in the way of the fair, he was very excited about the fair. So he was moving around here and there. He was running between his father's leg, brimming over with a life and laughter. He was very excited and happy. So all that time, all the during the traveling, he was just laughing and he was very happy. He was very happy to attend the fair. Here you can see the picture of the fair. In that picture you can see the little boy who is asking for the things which were selling into the fair. People were selling the many things into the fair. You can see to display many things like balloons, sweets, toys, flowers, everything there is into the fair. But his parents, especially his father, was very strict, and he was not allowed this kid to purchase anything. And his mother was very smoothly nature, and she is tried to convince his child that no one no nothing would be like to purchase because it is very bad. We will purchase another thing from another place. So that type of situation were there for the kid when he went to attend the fair. On the way, which kind of the activity, on the way, which kind of the situations were there when the kid was went to the fair with their parents. These things we have to study it first. Whenever they walk onto the road to attend the fair, child was not walking properly with their parents. He was very naughty, so he is moving here, there, one place, another place between his father's leg. He was come off the road. Everything he was doing like a small kid. Then his parents were all the time call him, "Come, child, come." Calls his parents. His parents call him, "Come this side," as he lagged behind. Whenever he lagged behind, why he was lagged behind? Because he was busy to see the thing. Sorry, he was busy to show the thing which was coming into the way. He was fascinated by the toys in the shop. Whenever the shops was came at the time, he was fascinated about the toys, fascinated about the things which were selling into the that shop line way, means the things which was displayed into the shop. The boy was fascinated or the attracted by that thing. He hurried towards his parents. Whenever his parents called him, he was hurried and ran towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call. The little kid's feet were always obedient. Obedient means the kid who were always obedient his parents, means always follow the instruction of their parents. So this boy was also very obedient. So whenever his parents call him, he came, he ran and go with their parents, his eyes still lingering on the resounding toys. The boys was asking for the toys, and their parents were not allowed to purchase that toys for that boy. So whenever he was passing away with this kind of shops, his eyes were lingering to the resounding toys. As he came to where they had stopped to wait for him, he thinks that all the toys are wait for him. He could not suppress to desire of his heart. He knows that his parents will not allow to purchase the toys, but his heart was not allowing him to believe that these toys were not for him. So he his desire to purchase that toys. but he knows that his parents didn't want to allow to purchase that toys for him, even though he well knew the old could stare to refusal in their eyes. Means he knows whatever the situations were there, whatever the conditions were there at that time, he knows that he was a stare. Stare means his parents were not allowed him to purchase that thing at that time. He was stare. Stare means घूर के देखना, ठीक है? तो he was staring, तो वो घूर के देखता है जब उसके पेरेंट्स, वेन एवर हिज पेरेंट्स वर रिफ्यूज़, मना कर देते हैं उसको, रिफ्यूज़ टू परचेज दैट टॉयज़, कि उसके पेरेंट्स जब मना कर देते उसको टॉयज़ खरीदने के लिए, तो वो ही वॉज स्टेयर. आई वॉन्ट दैट टॉय, ही प्लेडेड. प्लेडेड मतलब रिक्वेस्टेड, मीन्स रिक्वेस्टेड. ही प्लेडेड टू सीइंग वन टॉय that I want to purchase that toy. But he knows by heart that his father, especially his father, will not allow to him for buying this toy. His father looked at him red-eyed. His father looked him very red-eyed. Red-eyed means he was very angry when the boy was asking for a toy. So his father looked at him with red eye in his familiar tyrant way. Familiar tyrant way means his familiar nature was to become angry all the time. Whenever this kid is asking for something, his father become angry all the time. So his father's nature is like that. His mother, melted by free spirit of the day, was tender and giving him her finger to hold, said, "Look, child, what is before you." But her mother was very kind nature. Tender means kind. She was very kind nature. She gave her finger to that boy. उसको वो उंगली देती है. And after that she was trying to convert his mind from this situation, कि वो बच्चा जो है वो कुछ भूल जाए वो टॉयज़ के बारे में. She was trying that the boy will not remember that particular things. So she is telling to him, ठीक है, वो उसको कहती है कि what is there in the way, देखो आगे इसके अंदर क्या आने वाला है, let's see what is there. okay, तो at that time she was trying to convert his mind. okay, it was a flowering mustard field. Whenever they were passing from the field, it was flowering mustard field which is about the mustard crop, pale like melting gold as it swept across miles and miles of even land. Whenever you can see, whenever your eyes were reach, okay, you can see all there, miles and miles away, you can see this kind of the flowers. Means the huge farm, huge mustard fields you can see from there. A group of the dragonfly were bursting about their gaudy purple wings. Means a dragonfly was flying over there with their blasting. To blasting means फड़फड़ाना, that is blast करते हुए. जो flying dragonflies जो है, the dragonflies were flown away, intercepting the flight of the lone black bee or butterfly in search of the sweetness. They were going to find out the sweetness, means to the honey from the flower. The child followed them. The child went behind them into the air with a gaze. He was in the mood to enjoy, till one of them would steal its wings and rest, and he would try to catch it. The boy want to try to catch the dragonfly, but it would go fluttering. But that butterfly, that dragonfly were Go fluttering means पैर फड़फड़ाकर, पंख फड़फड़ाकर, they were flying away, flopping up to into the air, they were flying into the air, हवा में उड़ जाती है. When he had almost caught it, whenever he was almost into the reach to caught that flying, जब वो पकड़ने के मूड में आ जाता है, in his hand, जब उसके हाथ के पास में आ जाता है, when he was very near to the that butterfly, then his mother gave a contenary call. When at that time, at that same time, at the same point, her mother asking to him, "Come, child, come to the footpath." Means his mother called him, and he was not allowed to catch that butterfly. He ran towards his parents because he was very obedient about his parents. So he ran towards his parents gaily and walked abreast to them for a while. Being, however, soon left behind, attracted by the little insect and worm along the footpath that were teeming out from their hiding place to enjoy sunshine. Whenever they went to the way on the fair, on the road, they can see the many things. They will see the butterfly, they will see the dragonfly, they will see the insect, many insect onto the road, and all these things were attract that fascinated by that child when he was walking onto the footpath, because all this insect, all these worms are come out to the footpath for enjoying the atmosphere, enjoying the sunshine. At that time, again his parents call him, "Come, child, come," called from the shade. His parents were sitting into the shade of a grove means one tree, where they had seated themselves on the edge of a wall. They were sitting where they were sitting on the edge of the wall के किनारे पे वो they were sitting. He ran towards them, and the boy went and ran towards his parents. Them means parents. A shower of a young flower. Whenever the boy was running towards his parents, at that time the shower of the young flowers fall upon to the child as he entered the grove. When he was entering in under the grove, the flower was falling upon him, and forgetting his parents, he forgot about his parents. He forgot about his parents was calling him. भूल जाता है उसके पेरेंट्स उसको बुला रहे हैं. And he was trying to collect that petals which was fallen from the grove. Okay, then he began to gather raining pellets. Okay, he was trying to gather that petals, means not pellets, it is petals means the जो फूल होते हैं उसकी जो पंखुड़ियाँ होती हैं, that is called petals. So he was trying to collect the petals in his hand, but lo, he heard to cooing of doors, and whenever he was trying to collect the petals of that flowers, at the same time he was heard, means he was listen about the cooing of doves. Cooing means the voice which was coming out from the doves means कबूतर, जो कबूतर में से आवाज़ आती है उसको वो सुनता है. And ran towards his parents, and he ran towards his parents shouting. He was shouting to attract the attention of his parents. The dove. What he was shouting? The dove. The raining petals dropped from his forgotten hands. Sorry. And whenever he was running towards his parents, at the same time, whatever the petals he was collected, all that petals was falling down from his hand. "Come, child, come," again his parents call him. "Come, child, come," they called to the child, who had now gone running wild, capers round to the banyan tree, and gathering him up, they looked the narrow winding footpath which lead to the fair through the mustard field. Means they were very near to the fair, so they were took a shortcut way from the mustard field, very narrow way from the mustard field, which was वेरी नियरली टू द फेयर. वो लोग ऐसा रास्ता पसंद करते हैं मस्टर्ड फील्ड में से जो फेयर के बहुत ही पास में होता है. दे वर ट्राइंग टू रीच एज सून एज पॉसिबल इन टू द फेयर. सो दे वर इन हरी टू रीच इन टू द फेयर. As they near the village, whenever they reach near the village in which the fair was held out, the child could see many other footpaths. Whenever they entered on into the village, the child could see the footpaths full of the throngs. Throngs means the crowd. Okay, भीड़. Crowd से पूरा फुटपाथ भरा हुआ था. It is fully covered with the crowd, conveying to the wearful of the fair, and flat at once repelled and fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering, because whenever he see the crowd, the people were fresh away, people were clash away with each other, because the crowd is too much, and this kind of situation the boy hadn't seen before in his life. So he was very fascinated by the confusion. Which kind of the confusion were creating into his mind? The confusion was creating into his mind is about why this kind of the people, why this kind of the crowd were gathering to attend this place, why they were this kind of people, this number of people are gathered here, this kind of the confusion, fascination, all these things were creating into his mind. Sweet mint seller hawked gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi. Whenever they entered into the fair, first person to whom they seen is sweet mat seller, halwai. Sweet mat seller means halwai, the person who is selling the sweet, that is called sweet mat seller. He was asking for the people who attend the fair, gulab jamun, rasgulla, barfi, jalebi. At the corner, he was standing into the corner and corner of the entrance, and crowded passed round. People are gathered him around him. He counter at the foot of the architecture of the many colored sweets, decorated with the leaves of the silver and gold. Which kind of sweet he was selling? He was selling a sweet which was put it down very decoratively into his shop, and it is covered with the leaves of the silver and gold. The child stared open-eyed, because his wish to eat that sweet was open out into his mind, and the water was coming into his mouth for the barfi, because he liked the barfi very much. His eyes were very wildly open and his mouth was watered. Why his mouth was watered? Because he likes that barfi very much. That was his favorite. Barfi was his favorite sweet. I want that barfi. He asked his father about the barfi. I want that barfi, father. He slowly murmured. Why he slowly murmured? Because in heart he knows that his father will not allow to purchase that barfi. So he murmuredly said that I want that barfi. मुझे वो barfi चाहिए. But he half no as he begged. Begged means भीख मांगना, बहुत ही ज़्यादा रिक्वेस्ट करना. इट्स टू मच रिक्वेस्ट टू आस्किंग फॉर द समथिंग. So he slowly murmured to his parents, to his father, okay, that his pal would not be heeded because his parents would say was greedy. He know that his what his parents replied. His parents will say that he was very greedy person. Means he means what? That boy was very greedy about the eating thing. So without waiting for answer, he moved on. He want for the barfi, but by in a heart he knows that his parents will not allow to purchase that thing for him. So he is not मतलब जिद नहीं करता है. He was not asking for more and he move on, means he was walking further. Another person, a flower seller, means a person who was selling the flowers, was standing over there. A garland gulmore, a garland of the gulmore. He was trying to attract the people who were moving into the fair by his voice. फूल की जो माला होती है, ठीक है, गार्लैंड मीन्स फूल की जो माला होती है. ही वॉज ट्राइंग टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट, ही वॉज ट्राइंग टू सेल दैट garland. The child was seen irresistible down. The child was sit irresistible down. मतलब he didn't stop him to go there. He went towards the basket. The child ran and went towards the basket where the flower lay heaped. Heaped means जो ढेर लगा हुआ होता है. Whatever the where the place which many of the flowers were collecting with each another. Half murmured, and he again speak into his own. I want that garland. He speak with his own that he want to that garland because he was very small kid. He didn't know, but he will know. Sorry, but he well know his parents would refuse to buy him. He knew his parents' nature. So he knew by in heart that his parents will not allow to purchase these flowers because they would say, what they would say, they were cheap. बहुत सस्ता है, बहुत गंदा है. It is very dirty, it is very cheap. We are not allowed to buy this thing. This kind of the answer he was expecting from his parents. So in heart he knows that his parents will not allow, so he is speaking nothing. Without waiting for an answer, he moved on. And again, second time, without waiting, without expecting any answer about his wish, about his matter, he moved on into the fair. A man stood holding a pole with a yellow, red, green and purple balloons. One balloon man was standing over there who was selling different kind of the balloons, different color of the balloons into the fair. Balloons into the yellow color, into the red color, into the green color, into the purple color. All this type of the colors of the balloon were selling into the fair. The child was simply carried away because the small little kid were fascinated about that balloon. Various different kind of the balloon were attracted by this child, and he went nearby to the balloon man by the rainbow glory of the silken color, and he was filled with an overwhelming desire to possess them all. He wants that, he want to purchase all that balloons for himself. But again, as usual, he knows about his parents' nature, that his parents did not allow to purchase this balloon for him. But he well knew that his parents would never buy him the balloons because they would say, what they would say, too old to play with such toys. His parents would tell him, he knows that his parents would tell him that he become now grown up child. He was a big child, so they were not allowed. This kind of the balloons were played by the small little kid, and you are not small little kid, you are a big boy now. You are a mature boy now, so you are not allowed to play like this kind of toys. So balloons is not for you, you are very old and mature. Okay, so this kind of answer he knows, he expected from his parents, so he is not arguing with them to purchase that balloons for this toys for him. So he walked on further, and again, without saying anything, he walked further. See, friends, in this fair, the little boy was moving around the fair, and in his heart, there are many wishes to purchase all these things एज यूजल एज अ स्मॉल किड वेन एवर एक छोटा बच्चा एक स्मॉल किड जो होता है वेन एवर ही एंटर्ड इन टू द this kind of fair when he was asking for all these things which kind of the wishes for him यहाँ पे ये सिचुएशन बताई गई है अगेन आगे जो चाहता है वेन एवर ही वॉकड मूव्ड फर्दर विच काइंड ऑफ द पीपल ही विल मीट अ स्नेक चार्मर stood means a person who is showing the different kind of the games related to the snake बराबर है स्नेक जो होता है उसको अलग अलग मूव्स दिखाता है वॉज स्टूड देयर टू प्लेइंग अ फ्लूट टू द स्नेक ही वॉज प्लेइंग द फ्लूट टू द स्नेक विच कॉल्ड इट सेल्फ इन द बास्केट द स्नेक वॉज इन टू द बास्केट इट्स हेड रेस्ड एंड ग्रेसफुली बैंड लाइक द neck of the swan the head of the snake was bent it's looking very graceful like a neck of the swan while the music stole into its invisible ears like the gentle ripping onto the invisible waterfall the child went towards the snake charmer but knowing his parents has forbidden to hear such a coarse music of the snake charmer played he proceed further he knows he liked he want to listen that music he liked to watch whatever the things were going on whatever the presentation were showing by the snake charmer all these things he want to see but in heart he knows that his parents would not allow to see this kind of the music dirty music coarse music of the shark charmer so he speak nothing and moved further proceed further there was a round boat in a full swing round boat means झूला ठीक है there was a round boat in a full swing more round boat and children loves to sit in there men women and children carried away into the brimming motion very speedily motion they were children women men all they are enjoying into their round boat strickle and cried with the daisy laughter all they were very happy they were strickle means चिल्ला रहे थे cried with the daisy laughter they were burst with the laughter ठीक है जोर जोर से हंस रहे थे the child watched them intensely means child wants to sit on that round boat but in heart he knows that his parents would not allow but this time he was asking first time he was request his mother and father I want to go into the round boat please father mother first he show the sweet maker then after flower hawker then after balloon man then after snake charmer all that time he is not saying anything to his parents but this time first time he was asking to sit into the round boat because in heart he has to wish to sit into the round boat whatever the answer will replied by his parents which type of situation will be created into the further into the fair whatever the things happen into the next that all these things we will discuss in our next video so for that detail you have to see our video number 2 of this lesson till here we stopped our explanation of this lesson the lost child related to this video whatever the question answers are there that I will send you through the PDF you must have to write down that question answers in your notebook okay in our next video we will discuss about the further discussion what will happen with that boy his parents will allow him to sit into the round boat or not everything we will see in our next video. Okay, bye.